Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to see how to create minimal style party flyer in Photoshop. Before getting started, please do download the project file, link in the description. With the project file, it will be much easier for you to follow this tutorial. So all you got to do is download the project file, watch this video completely and subscribe to our channel. Fine, let's get started. First go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a PSD file called flyer. Open the file inside Photoshop. This file is design ready right from layers panel, guides, everything is ready for designing. You can straight away start designing it. First we are going to create a solid background. For that go to the background folder, select layer 1, go to color picker, select color E5, E5, E5. Now I'm going to fill the color. For that I'm going to use keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. So our solid background is ready. Next go to design folder, create a layer. Now we are going to create a rectangle border. For that select rectangle tool, disable fill, enable stroke, select black color. I'll keep the size as 15. Now we are going to create a rectangle border which reads 916 by 1353. Now using those center guidelines as a reference, I'm going to place it at the center. Okay. Now we are going to change the color of the border. For that, right click the layer, blending option, select gradient overlay. Select the third one. On the left hand, select yellow color. On the right, I'm going to select some kind of pink color. Okay. So our border is ready. So next, create a new layer in image folder. Now we are going to bring in our main stock image inside our canvas. Now go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a file called image1. Open the image inside Photoshop, drag and drop it inside our canvas. I'm going to place it somewhere here. I'll name this layer as image1. Next we are going to create a triangle shape to hide this part. For that go to the design folder, create a layer. Next go to color picker, select pink color. Now enable polygon laser tool. Using this polygon laser tool, I'm going to draw a rectangle shape. Now using keyboard shortcut Alt backspace, I'm going to fill the color. Next I'm going to create a duplicate copy. Ctrl J. I use keyboard shortcut to create a duplicate copy. Now by enabling free transform tool Ctrl T, I'm going to flip it horizontally. By holding shift key, I'm going to reduce the size. Again I'm going to enable free transform tool and rotate it a little bit and then place it somewhere here. Okay, so next we are going to bring in our second stock image inside our canvas. For that select image folder, create a layer, go to the folder you downloaded, select image2. Open the file inside Photoshop. I'm going to drag and drop it inside our canvas. I'll place this layer right below the image1. Okay. I'll place it somewhere here. I'll name this as image2. If you want, you can resize the image by enabling free transform tool Ctrl T. Can resize it. Okay, I'll settle with this one. So our design part is almost ready. Next we are going to add our text. For that, go to the text folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select black color, enable text tool. I'm going with font Lato. It's a free font. I'll give the link in the description. You can download it if you want. Okay, I'll keep the size as 61. Now I'm going to type party, but randomly. I'm going to keep each text part randomly. Start with P. I'm going to place the alphabet text here. Next. Okay. I'll place it somewhere here. I'm using keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J to create a duplicate copy of that layer. Or I'll place it somewhere here. Again, duplicate copy, Ctrl+J. T, and another copy. This one is Y. Okay, I'll place it somewhere here. I'll keep it here. Okay. Next, we are going to add other event related text content. So I'm going to create some mockup text. I'll reduce the size somewhere, something 17. Using center guidelines as reference, I'm going to place it at the center. Okay. Next, I'm going to create a duplicate copy. I'll create some mockup text. I'll reduce the size as 10. Another copy. Now I'm going to repeat the same step. So within few minutes, minimal style party flyer is ready. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more Photoshop tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.